Did you hear that? Yeah.
The bad, scary girl.
Hi. Are you coming to see what's over here? What is that? Oh, no, no, no.
Don't get the camera. There.
We might have to reset. Can you move, Joshua? Can you get Joshua over by you, Will? No, no, no. He's attacking me. Joshua. Oh, no. Oh, no.
He's attacking.
He's attacking. Baby Josh is attacking. Oh, no.
Bah.
Oh, no. What's that dinosaur's name?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Well, does he have a name? Like Rudy? Oh! Was there Daddy? Can you go call the Daddy? Yeah.
His name is not Rudy.
Okay. Oh! Say bye-bye.